Hey guys, so at Adventure Moto we love cool covers. I'm going to show you how to fit one to the Desert X, but first I want to tell you why we love them. So in hot weather, these are your best friend. They promote so much airflow, but not only that, they don't get hot in the sun. So when you finish lunch at the pub and you get back on your bike, you're not sitting on a hot seat. How good. You know what else sucks? Having a wet seat. I hate it. But these are 98% air permeable, which basically means they'll drain the water and you won't end up with a wet seat ever again. On long multi-day rides, comfort is everything. These are 8mm thick and they won't crush under your weight, which means I can ride for a lot longer with the cool covers on and won't be fatigued. Now, they are a breeze to fit, but I'm going to show you anyways. So guys, we stock cool covers for dozens of bikes, both OEM seats and seat concept seats. Here on the Desert X, I've got the OEM Rally bench seat. So once you have your seat off, you're going to grab your cool covers. I like to put the nose on first and then wrap it behind the tail. And once you've got those two connected, you'll flip it around. Now, so it's important to note that the label, the cool covers label, will go on the right side of the seat. That's how you know which side is front and which side's back. We're going to take the cool covers and we're going to generously stretch it around the edges of the seat. Like that. Don't be afraid to stretch it, guys. We want a nice tight fit. Alright, so once you have it over the edges of all your seat, you're going to take the straps here and you're going to nice and tightly strap them down, front and back. Alright, so as you can see, all the edges are covered and I'm going to fit this straight back onto the Ducati. Now, you do have that 8mm thick material, so it's going to be a little bit harder, but don't stress. Just like a normal seat, it'll click straight on. It's as simple as that, guys. Cool covers are available online at adventuremoto.com.au as well as our Brisbane and Sydney stores.